أعزائي المشاهدين، أهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة من برنامجكم الوطني رواد الأعمال. Today we have our special guest, Mr. Ayman. We'd like to welcome you in our show today.
Thank you so much. My name is Ayman Zuhair. I'm the CEO of Wolf Kids. What is Wolf Kids? Wolf Kids is a structure of multi-sports activities for kids in Dubai. So we are providing many activities like kickboxing, judo, parkour, sports ball, and much more.
So tell us more about the services that you provide here for the kids in Dubai.
So we are providing group sessions for kids and also one-on-one sessions. The group sessions are mostly in park, outdoor sessions. On one-on-one session, we can come to the location of the people.
So with all this competition that we have here in Dubai, what makes you special than other competitors?
You know, I think there is not a lot of structure for kids in Dubai. It's sports structure. There is not a lot, I think. And we are multi-sports. So we are providing different activities, not only kickboxing, not only parkour, but different type of activities. Because we are 3 coaches and we have different backgrounds. So we can provide this. Yeah.
So what's your goal and what's your plan for the coming years?
My goal is to spread all our experience, all our knowledge to all kids of Dubai, in many community of Dubai. Yeah.
Before we end our interview, I would like to thank you for being with us today, and I would like you to tell us how can we reach and contact.
You can reach us in Meydan, Polo Residence Park. We are here every week for sessions, outdoor sessions in this park. Okay. We can reach us also in Dubai Hills, and you can reach us by WhatsApp, local number, or Instagram.
Of course, my dear viewers, all the contacting numbers will be shown down the screen. إلى هنا أعزائي المشاهدين من حلقتنا الأسبوعية مع ضيفنا المميز. تابعونا كل جمعة وسبت على قناتكم ABC العربية. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله. شكرا.